Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Restoring the Past. This is going to be a quick video on how to preserve antique book bindings or vintage books, scabbards, or any other leather product you might have. So to start off, take some Accessible Preservatives. It's an all-around leather cleaner, restorer, and preservative. Take a soft cotton cloth or brush and apply it lightly. Less is more with this. Just rub it in small little circles, just like polishing a boot, just small little tiny circles. Doesn't take a lot of pressure, but just get it all over the surface there. Pay special attention where there's little ridges and things like that to get it into all those little nooks and crannies. And just very lightly, just keep rubbing it in, just like that. Be careful with some of the gold foil here. And it doesn't take a lot of pressure at all. I'm not using a lot of pressure. I'm just gently putting it on there, but making sure it covers everywhere. Just like that, nice and easy. For the cover, the exact same thing. Just put it on the cloth and just keep making tiny little circles with your finger. And when you're doing those little circles, it's just putting that nice product in all those little crevices there that the leather has, all that texture, and you're just making sure that it gets all inside of there and covers every inch of the surface of the leather. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. You know, it can be very therapeutic actually. Just going to do this small little part there, so hopefully you can see that. The great thing about this product, guys, is that it's perfectly safe. You can see my daughter Victoria, she's 8 now. She has no trouble applying this product.
It's not hard at all.
It's very, very safe. Even my son Lance here, who's 6, he can apply it with ease as well, and you don't have to worry about any toxins or anything like that.
It's easy, Dad.
It's very safe to use for everybody of all ages.
It's really easy, Dad.
Allow the preservatives to set for at least 10 minutes. You can wait for 1 hour if your leather is really dried out. Once it's dried, buff it with a soft cotton cloth and you should be good to go. This is a professional product used by conservators. It's non-flammable, it's safe, it won't irritate the skin, it's archival quality, it's pretty inexpensive, and something you can do at home to keep your leather products looking their best and safeguarding them for the future. I hope this video has been helpful, and as always, good luck with your projects. Please subscribe.